As you can see, I did scramble it, so you know I'm going to be taking my splint off because of my broken hand. And you ready? In 3. Hold on, let me look around real fast. Alright, 3, 2, 1. To the main person I'm recording this for, you only said under a minute. And as you can see, it is solved. Not my fastest, but as you can see right through here, it shows where my best is, and then my current time. So, there we go. And, just help out, let's go to session 1 for 2x2. God, it's been a while since I timed myself for one of these. Alright, there we go. Scrambled. And in 3, 2, 1. I didn't finish it, so I just redid it. So this time was a DNF. But there we go. Solved this under a minute, and just for proof, I'll even do it with a different one. It's in different shades because it's 2 different cubes together. Since they were broken, they broke in my bag. I like to carry them around with me. There we go. Scrambled. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And boom. Solved it. And oh man, I had it on 2x2 session. But as you can see, oops, under a minute.